Hi, this is Søren from JetWave. If you need to change the trigger of your remote control, this is how you do it. First, you need to get rid of this leash. You take it off, and then let's open the trigger spare parts. Inside it you will find the spare triggers and this tool. With this tool you need to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th screw over here. Once you have taken off all the screws, use this pick to carefully insert it here and open the remote control like this. Now you can take the two parts away from each other. Take out the broken trigger and insert the new one from the downside, like here, and push it up like this. It's now important that you keep it in this position when you reapply the upper part of the remote control. So I'm keeping it with my index finger. Start putting it together like this. And now check if it's working properly, which it is. And now you can put in the screws again and tighten them to snug. Once you've tightened all the screws, check again if it's working properly and smooth, and then put the leash on again and you're ready to go.